This video right here of a girl filming herself in the mirror generated over $10,000 on TikTok Shop, from which she took $1,000. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to take videos like this that have already proven they sell and recreate them with your own AI actor in under 30 minutes. At the end, I'll even show you how to change the voice, how to change the script, and do lip syncing over a MotionSwap video so that the video is truly unique and yours. All right, so quick context, MotionSwap is one of the biggest opportunities in AI content right now. It's how these viral videos of Donald Trump dancing have been made. Pop it up right above. This is a new technology. The model that actually allows this dropped a few weeks ago only. And full disclosure, most people are currently using it to do OnlyFans content and adult content, but that's not what we're going to be focusing on today, because I really think the fastest way to actually make cash with this is through TikTok Shop and just creating affiliate content for brands. And the proof is right here. Look at this girl. The entire page, all she does is film herself in the mirror wearing TikTok Shop products. That's it. Because she's attractive, the product looks good on her, she makes sales, and she makes commission. And that's the point. Now with AI, a guy can sell makeup. He can sell a shapewear product. He can sell a product that only a woman would usually be able to sell. All right, enough yapping. Let's get right into how to actually build this thing. Step 1, find a video that's already working. This is the video that I'm going to be replicating today. It's 11 seconds. It's a mirror selfie, just lip syncing to a rap song, selling a shapewear product. It got 42,000 likes, 1.1 million views, and according to Fastmoss, generated approximately $10,000 in GMV. And on that product, the commission structure was 10%, which means that from that one 11-second video, that creator generated or got paid $1,000. And we're just going to replicate it in a matter of seconds with AI. Okay, so now how do you find these videos? You can use Fastmoss or Calidata or just scroll TikTok Shop. That's how I found the videos that I put into the swipe file. But yeah, to save you time, I did put together this swipe file, which is 100% free. You can just get it in the link in the description, join the Discord, and all of the assets will be there on top of other assets that I put together for free. The Discord is just to group as many AI content creators as possible, kind of build a community of people who are trying to make money with AI content. And yeah, I put a lot of effort into it. So if you don't mind, give this video a like. I'm going to be posting more tutorials, so you can subscribe if that makes sense. And if you have any questions, DM me on Instagram. I'll be answering everyone's questions. Yeah. All right, enough of that. Let's get right into it. We've got our video. Let's bring it into Starpop. First, grab the URL of the video you want to replicate. Just copy it from your browser or your app. Head to Starpop. And if you haven't signed up already, you can do that now. Takes 30 seconds. Once you're in, go to the TikTok analyzer page, paste in that URL, and Starpop will pull that video for you, give you the script, and allow you to download it. That's what we're going to do. We're going to be adding it to our Starpop assets page by clicking Add to Assets. This saves it to your library so that we can actually work with it. Now, important note, if your video is longer than 30 seconds, or if there's important cuts, like if it changes backgrounds, things like that, you may want to cut that video in the important sections where a lot of things change, background specifically. Or if it's longer than 30 seconds, just trim it. And you can even trim inside of Starpop. Luckily, our video is 11 seconds, no cuts needed, so we're good. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Click on your video in Assets and hit Extract Frames. What this does, it pulls out individual frames from the video. And we need this because MotionSwap needs a starting point. It needs to know, what does your actress look like in the same position as the original girl? So pick a frame. I usually go with the first clear frame where you can see the full body and face, or frame that represents the majority of the video, the majority of the position where your actor is in throughout the video. So this is the frame that we're going to modify. We're going to swap in our own AI actress, and then MotionSwap will use this as the reference to animate the entire video. Now, let me show you my actress. All right, so this is Candace. She's my AI actress that I designed. She's very good looking, dark hair, eyeliner, necklace, and she's going to be the face of my content. Now, quick pro tip. I didn't actually design her. I found the prompt, or at least a base prompt, to make her on Twitter. Because there's a bunch of these AI accounts that just post the JSON prompts for these really, really cool images that they design. And they post it all for free. Like, there's a lot of people who actually sell these prompts, but these guys on Twitter are the best in the game. and they post it all for free. So I'll have some examples in the Discord. I'll also have the full list of the Twitter accounts in the Discord. Again, like, people sell this information, but I'm giving it all the way for free here. Now let's actually swap Candace into that frame. Now in step 2, we're going to edit the image. First, go to create image. Now we're going to take our extracted frame. This is the original girl in the original pose, and we're going to use Candace to replace her. Now, this is character swap at the image level, and we're going to use Nanobana Pro to perfectly take the pose, the position, the environment, the lighting, and put Candace into it. So we're going to set this up, and we're going to click generate. And boom, look at that. I mean, it's just insane. The same pose, the same position, same frame, but now it's our AI character, Candace. So this is our starting image. This is what MotionSwap is going to actually animate and take the motion from the video and bring into this now starting frame that we've just created. Hello, Hisho David here. I just wanted to give a quick note in regards to the actual character swap. So in this example, all I did was swap her face and her hair, obviously. But we could have swapped a lot more. So I could have changed, well, we don't want to change the clothes because that's what's being sold. But I could have changed the background entirely. I could have changed the phone, could have changed the position slightly. So it is ours. I could have changed her body slightly. So we don't have any problems with the real creator. Right now, there are some people having issues with the original creators because they're being lazy and essentially doing what I just did of swapping only the face. But if you swap the background, then you really won't have any problems because it's just the movement. Step 2 now complete. We've got Candace in the actual position we need her to be in. We now can start step 3 with the actual motion swap. Go to the create video page and select the Kling Motion Swap Pro model. Here's how MotionSwap works. You give it a reference video. That's your original TikTok video you're trying to copy the motion from, and you give it a starting image. That's our Candace image that we just created. And here's the crazy part. You don't even need a prompt. You just give the reference video and the reference image, and Kling figures it all out. It will just apply the motion of your reference video to your image, and you're done. So hit generate and wait a few minutes, and I mean, wow, look at this. Same video, same movement, same energy. But that's Candace. That's my AI actress. This is content I can post today. I mean, this is just insane. The opportunity is so big with MotionSwap. And keep in mind, you can do this over and over again. Find a winning video, swapping your actor, and post. Volume, speed, proven formats. I mean, honestly, with MotionSwap, it kind of feels like cheating. And like, it's not being implemented yet. The opportunity is massive. If you're still watching, thank you so much. You're an absolute legend. And as promised, I'll cover really quickly how to even change the voice and even change the script, which is insane. I haven't seen anyone talk about yet. But essentially, if you want to change the voice, once you have your actual motion swap video, all you want to do is go to the change voice page inside of Starpop, choose your actual video, and then you can use one of the pre-made ElevenLabs voices or even clone from an existing video to create a new original AI voice. So yeah, that's how you would change the voice. But then if you wanted to change the script, what you would do is take your motion swap video and then use a lip sync model over that motion swap video and feed in a audio file that you generated, and you can literally clone the motion, but then even change the script. But that's a whole other tutorial on its own. Let me know in the comments if you would want that. I don't want to make this video too long, so please do leave a comment, and I actually will make this video very, very soon. So subscribe, send me a DM on Instagram, and look forward to seeing you in the next one.